Montgomery Tower, Cessna Sky, November 28 Romeo Juliet on Bravo, holding short 28 left for straight out departure.
Cessna 28 Romeo Juliet, Montgomery Tower, straight out approved, runway 28 left, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, runway 28 left, 28 Romeo Juliet. Alright, here we go. Lights. Camera, action.
I'm sorry, 77
Full prop.
Wait, not far release.
Looking for any traffic coming in, don't see anything on our runway.
13503.
Here we go, full power, heels on the floor. Full prop again, checking that, gear down.
Cessna 780, continue downwind, tower will call your base, traffic will be holding in position.
Continue downwind 780.
Big gear up. Back off the manifold pressure to 25, do top of the green.
Montgomery Tower, Piper 4169er Romeo, ready for takeoff, 28 left.
And bump. We're still top of the green, but we'll do.
169 Romeo, Montgomery Tower, standby for IFR traffic departing parallel runway.
Left side, gear up on the right side, we're looking good. Climbing at 80 knots. Oil pressure good, oil temperature good, cow flaps are closed.
Line up and wait, 2 right, 7 November go.
Montgomery Tower, good morning. Bonanza 8068 uniform holding short, 28 right at Alpha, waiting IFR release.
Bonanza 8068 uniform, Montgomery Tower, standby for release, and I have an amendment to your clearance.
November 77, November Golf, SoCal departure radar contact, climb and maintain 4,000. Say altitude leaving.
4,000 at a 2700, or 77 November go.
SoCal departure, Piper 4169er Romeo out of Montgomery with request.
Piper 4169er Romeo, SoCal approach Miramar altimeter 29097, say request.
29097 and 4169er Romeo, PA 32 slant Alpha would like flight following to Sierra Juliet November 7500.
Verify that was Sierra Juliet November for Piper 69er Romeo.
That's affirmative, Sierra Juliet November, St. John's.
November 7 November Golf, climb and maintain 12,000.
12,000, 7 November go.
Morning SoCal, November 28 Romeo Juliet, Cessna Skyhawk, VFR request.
Number 28 Romeo Juliet, SoCal approach, stand by your number 2 is request. November 69 Romeo, squawk 6702 and ident.
6702, 69 Romeo.
November 8 Romeo Juliet, say request Miramar altimeter 29097.
Yeah, the Cessna Skyhawk currently at 1,500 feet, just going north on Torrey Pines, would like flight following to Santa Monica Airport at 4,500 feet, we're a 172 slant golf.
November 8 Romeo Juliet, squawk 0212 and ident.
0212 and ident.
November 4169 Romeo, radar contact 2 miles east of Mount Soledad. You're cleared through the San Diego class Bravo airspace. VFR climb to 4,500, your discretion at this time. And verify you wanted 6,500 as the final.
69 Romeo, yes. Or 7,500 final, and like to clear class Bravo and like to direct Julian if that's okay with you.
November 69er Romeo, follow the shoreline at northbound. VFR climb to 4,500, your discretion at this time. You can expect an eastbound turn once you're north of Miramar.
Okay, 69 Romeo, shoreline 4,500.
8 Romeo Juliet, radar contact 3 miles south of the Del Mar racetrack. You're cleared through the San Diego class Bravo airspace VFR climb 4,500, your discretion, showing you leaving at 1,300.
Okay, clear through the class Bravo airspace, climbing at my discretion 4,500, 28 Romeo Juliet.
November 7, November Golf, turn right heading 300, vector for Seal Beach.
300, 7 November Golf.
Southwest 2177, contact Los Angeles Center 132.85.
3285, Southwest 2177, good day.
November 8 Romeo Juliet, contact for 127.3.
127.3, 8 Romeo Juliet.
Good morning, departure Yankee 61's off Miramar, passing 1,100 for 2,000.
So C414, descend to maintain 3,000.
Descend to maintain 3,000, service speed 414.
November 28 Romeo Juliet, 2,700 feet climbing, 4,500.
November 28 Romeo Juliet, SoCal approach, Miramar altimeter 2997.
2997, 28 Romeo Juliet.
Service speed 414, heading 090.
Heading 090, service speed 414.
Number 0 at X-ray, contact search 134.0, good day.
Okay, over to 340, thanks for your help.
Okay, today we're flying a Cessna 172RG, retractable gear. Going up to Santa Monica for a meeting. Expect to take less than an hour flight time.
We just want this from the VOR from Oceanside.
November 364 Echo Romeo.
And it's going to save me a lot of time on traffic.
We'll do the ILS 24 into Palomar, 364 Echo Romeo.
Number 364 Echo Romeo, roger information. November is current, wind 250 at 5, at visibility 10, sky clear, altimeter 2996, expect the ILS approach. Depart Vista heading 080, maintain 3,600.
Vista 080, and can you repeat the altitude again?
November 4 Echo Romeo, maintain 3,600.
3,600.
Okay, we're going to pick up a little speed.
4 Echo Romeo, traffic holding over Vista 4,500 VFR. Oh yes, Cessna. Number 415 Golf Bravo radar contact 3 miles south of the Oceanside VOR climb at or below 8,500 to cruise.
8,500 or below, 5 Golf Bravo.
Cessna 8 Romeo Juliet contact for 128.1, good day.
128.1, 8 Romeo Juliet.
SoCal Bonanza 8183 Romeo 4000.
Number 8183 Romeo SoCal approach, roger, turn left heading 320 vector.
November 28 Romeo Juliet at 45.
American 183, turn right, direct up Bay, your descend to maintain 10,000.
Direct bear, descend to 10,000, American 183.
Number 28 Romeo Juliet, SoCal approach on window center 2996, how do you plan to navigate the LA class Bravo airspace?
28 Romeo Juliet, plan on doing the mini route north.
Number Romeo Juliet, route traffic trespassing off the left side, 11 o'clock, descend o'clock, 2.5 miles. Southeast plan on PNOP at 5,000.
Looking for traffic, 28 Romeo Juliet.
Number 8 Romeo Juliet, contact Hawthorne Tower 121.1.
Okay, 121.1 for 8 Romeo Juliet. Hawthorne Tower, November 28 Romeo Juliet at 2600, going to 25 for the mini route north.
Cessna 28 Romeo Juliet, Hawthorne Tower, proceed to Hawthorne Boulevard 45 intersection at 2,500. Altimeter Hawthorne is 2997.
Okay, heading to the Hawthorne 45 intersection at 2500 and 2996 for altimeter 28 Romeo Juliet.
Cessna 2A Romeo Juliet, contact Los Angeles Tower 119.8.
119.8 for a Romeo Juliet.
LAX 449 Whiskey Bravo, traffic 11 o'clock, 1 mile northwestbound, Skyhawk 2,680.
LA Tower, Cessna Skyhawk, November 28, Romeo Juliet, 2,500 feet, mini route northbound.
Number 28 Romeo Juliet, LA Tower, LA altimeter 29908. Radar contact 4 miles southeast LA Airport at 2,500. Cleared to Los Angeles Bravo airspace via the mini route.
Cleared to the Class Bravo via the mini route, 28 Romeo Juliet.
South of 3325, reverse Yankee approved, hold short, runway 24 left. Okay. South 3325, traffic's in position. Cross runway 24 left to Zulu, then turn left on Echo. 3325, thank you. Ground point 65 as you turn left on Echo. Good day. Radar 121 LA Tower, hold short, runway 24 left here at Victor. Southwest 1814, wind 250 at 8, RNAV Del Rey, runway 24 left, shorten to Victor, clear for takeoff. Radar 121, runway 24 left, shorten to Victor, line up and wait. 8 Romeo Juliet, leaving LA Bravo airspace north, radar service terminated, keep your squawk, contact Santa Monica Tower 120.1.
Okay, going to Santa Monica Tower 120.1.
Base turn approved, 07 Bravo Kilo, base turn 50 off, runway 21.
Santa Monica Tower, Cessna Skyhawk, November 28, Romeo Juliet, inbound negative ATIS.
November 28, Romeo Juliet, Santa Monica Tower, make left traffic, runway 21, wind 1807, altimeter 298.
Okay, I'll make left traffic, runway 21 for a full stop, 28 Romeo Juliet. Down. Gear left. Port gear right. Alright, gas on the fullest. Undercarriage down, mixture. We're going to full rich in a minute, and we'll do prop and seatbelt.
November 5 Alpha Hotel, traffic ahead and to your right, low level, Alpha helicopter at 600 indicated. Additional traffic ahead and to your left over Crenshaw Plaza, altitude indicates 1,600 westbound, frequency change approved.
Okay, Bravo Hotel, we'll be looking. Thank you very much.
Number 8, Romeo Juliet, number 2, following a light 4.5 mile final, runway 21, clear to land.
Clear to land, number 2 for runway 21. Look out for that traffic in Romeo Juliet. Hey, Romeo Juliet has a line of traffic in sight.
Number 8, Romeo Juliet, roger.
gas undercarriage. Sure.
Santa Monica Tower, 7 Bravo Kilo, going around.
Number 7 Bravo Kilo, roger, left close, traffic approved.
Full flaps, full prop, full mixture. Wheels on the floor, got a good scent right here. Alright, probably my best landing in this plane. Flaps up.
Cessna 8 Romeo Juliet, turn left, contact ground point 9er, good day.
Contacting ground, point 9er, 8 Romeo Juliet.
Tower, Red Stripe 157 at the whole chart in sequence.
Red Stripe 157.
Santa Monica ground, Cessna Sky November 28 Romeo Juliet, just exited the active runway, headed to transit.
28 Romeo Juliet, Santa Monica ground, transit via Bravo.
Taking transit via Bravo, 28 Romeo Juliet.
Ground Falcon 552, Golf Romeo is ready to start.
Okay, 552 Golf Romeo, engine start approved.
Golf Romeo. And ground Gamma Jet 829, 1 minute prior to engine start.
Gamma Jet 829, Santa Monica ground, stand by, I'll call you back with a window.
Roger that, we'll stand by 829.
Good morning, Santa Monica ground. Bill's Tug is at Bill's Air. I'd like to proceed via Bravo down to Proteus, please.
Yes, Santa Monica ground. Reposition approved via Bravo to Proteus.
Okay.
Bill's Tug via Bravo, thank you.